Grit to Gold Engine. Why this Grit to Gold engine? At Maximus Grit Institute, we believe success is not reserved for the privileged. It's built by those who combine resilience with the right systems. Founded by Maximus Grit, a renowned mindset reboot coach who has trained over 150,000 students in the last 7 years, our mission is simple: turn everyday grit into real, automated wealth. The Grit to Gold engine was created for creators, entrepreneurs, and ordinary individuals who are tired of working hard without seeing financial results. We exist to bridge the gap between effort and income, between hustle and automation. Key points: 1. Automate your income systems. 2. Turn passion into profit. 3. Build scalable digital wealth. 4. Master mindset and automation. 5. Create predictable revenue streams. For more details, visit our website given in the description. Thank you.